Hello, welcome to Study Labs. I'm Abhishek, and before describing what we are going to do, let's just see the demonstration. What will happen, right? So you are going to see a light shortly, right? So this is the light you are seeing, you are watching. Let me do one more time, and then I will switch on the lights, right? So I hope you had seen, and now let me turn on the light for you, so that you can see what I'm actually doing. So what the demonstration I'm talking about today is electromagnetism. A very simple setup to make, and this is the rod, and I have a neodymium magnet, and the concept varies. When you're talking with a student of class 6th, you only deal with the fact that magnetism create electricity and electricity create magnetism, right? But if you're dealing with a 12th standard kid, you can deal with formulas, and then you can tell him about flux and change of flux generator. Induced EMF, there will be induced EMF, and then if the EMF is sufficient, it will light up a LED, which you had just seen in this. What this is a simple PVC pipe, a hollow pipe, and in here I had tied some copper wire. I coiled it up, and I had put up one LED here, if you can see, and there are 5 such rows. If you want to see that, this is like this, right? So I have 5 coil, and then I have 5 LEDs on them, and when I put my neodymium magnet in it, and you can see that you can see the light, right? You can see the light. The LEDs are right there. So what this setup contains, this is the very simplified version of it, and it will not work because the connections are loose, but you can get the gist of it. That in here I have a LED, and on the 2 legs of LED I had when I coil the copper wire on this hollow PVC pipe, there are 2 wires, 2 ends, and then you can connect one end to one leg of the LED and the other one to the other leg, and you can simply put the neodymium magnet in this, and then you have to shake it rigorously, right, with a fast pace. You can do this in a very slow manner, and obviously the flux is changing when the neodymium magnet is in this side and it is going on the other side. The flux is definitely changing, but it is not so much that it can generate the amount of electricity which can light up this LED. So you have to shake it. The flux will change highly, and then the induced EMF will be more. Now the extension, how you can extend this exercise or this setup, you can change the number of coils. Remember, from this side I had left a space about the size of one neodymium magnet, because even if you coil this particular space with copper coil, the change in flux is not that much good, because when the neodymium magnet is right here, and when it is entering here, the change in flux is very high, and if you coil it up also, the change is not considerable. So these are the precautions. You can use your syringe or your injection. You can cut it from both the ends, and you can get a hollow structure, and you can change the number of magnets into it, and then you can see what effect does it have on the intensity of the LED. You can change the number of coils, and you can do various things. I have extended it. I have put 5 different LEDs on this setup, and this is an extension of this, right? So a very simple setup can be made out of trash and some copper coil and an LED and a neodymium magnet, right? So that's all for this particular demo. Meet you in the next one. Do subscribe our channel, Study Labs. Thanks.